Ano ba ha?
Oh, kuya.
Lamig.
Narang puli kini di mabana bagi advertisement.
Balay sila penjenjar ya lagi. Papinyin kerpang ini. Like link bawah ke shillongadvertisement.com. Pinyo buat kijing pedla. Bat kiberta kishula. Link bawah ke shillongadvertisement.com.
Unong yalam ko All India Animal Congress Dr. Mukul Sangma badairu unong yalam ke liang persya ying dorbar thawain ka Jylla uloong ba ka Sorkar Jylla kamsim ki eiei ya ki jingkno bamsap bat peni pynban kum ki basha kno habakran hakilap thai khobor halor ki kaipot khobor bo James ki Sangma badairu menteri Sorkar ka Jylla udan kti bat ubalawat soni unong khaidu yong be an ubala sakem nagauti u Dr. Mukul loong ba kisnam ki blayai ulo persyang man pensngau ya ka Sorkar ban pensenge kam bamsap bat ki jingko trikam Ulong ba ka Sorkar Jylla ka yai sai khoj bat kani ka dei ka ba mai ka Jylla dak ba ka do ba kynnoh ki kam ki yai bakla ki ba dei ban sim khia da ki bor an pynban kim phai khmat satya ulong ba ki le pynban tang kum ki ba sha kanno bat yathu pai ba ki sha kanno bat kam nut le ei.
You have to look at from multiple perspective, including the whole inputs that's coming from different angles, indicative of what has been happening in the preceding years. I must tell you one thing, that over the years, there has been a sincere and concerted and sustained attempt by all concerned to draw the attention of the government to ensure that all those instances of irregularities and alleged corruptions are put to stop and demonstrate their resolve to ensure that irregularities and alleged instances of corruption does not take place. We must remember one thing, that corruption has destroyed many nations across the world. We don't want our state of Meghalaya to be destroyed by the level of corruption that is palpable, that is visible, and the worst thing is that the government tries with complete sense of impunity to be on denial mode. That is something which is a very, very dangerous trend. You have to understand one thing. What is the responsibility of the authorities? And when we are talking about responsibilities of authorities pertaining to certain issues which are again covered by the mandate of certain law, any offense which is cognizable under the relevant provision of the law. What is the meaning of cognizable offense? You have to ask them. Cognizable offense is cognizable offense. The government has to take cognizance. The authorities will have to take cognizance. Denying to take cognizance of these instances of irregularities and instances of alleged corruptions, that means they are acting as an accused. You get my point? That means by default, they are telling the people they themselves are the accused. That's why they want to defend. It's simple. That's why I'm saying it is palpable and visible, and it is unfortunate. It must stop, it must end, because we want to ensure that the state is not subjected to that kind of disastrous future. And that is the reason why we must say that corruption must end. Today, you have seen the collective endeavor, sincere commitment coming from people from all walks of life, sending a message which is loud and clear that there must be a collective effort from all political parties, that we promise the people of the state that Meghalaya should be free from corruption. Meghalaya should not be infamous for all these instances. You look at the stories. The stories are being carried left and right. Okay? If there is no truth in it, then what should be the response of the government? The government should go hammer and tongs against them legally, to go and then take all measures to probably even look at anything which comes as a defamation. Have they had the guts? Have they shown the guts to go after those people who are, pointing finger against them? That itself is something which is indicative of what is happening. I repeat, the people in authority, the government, has been acting as accused.